You are all aware that on the intervening night of 27th and 28th, a veterinary doctor from Shamshabad was kidnapped at Shamshabad Tondupalli toll plaza. She was kidnapped and sexually assaulted. And also, she was murdered, and the body was brought to Chatanpalli village of Shadnagar Mandal, and it was burnt. So, booking both the cases, we have taken up the investigation. ACP Shadnagar was appointed as the investigation officer, and we collected lot of evidence, scientific evidence, and also we collected lot of human intelligence. Basing on the evidence collected, we could apprehend 4 accused who are native of Maktal Mandal of Narayanpet district of Telangana state. So all these 4 accused are Mohammad Arif, Jollu Siva, Jollu Naveen, and Chintakunta Chennakeshwal. All these four accused are residents of Maktal Mandal Narayanpet district. So all the accused were produced before the executive magistrate on 30th, and later on they were all remanded to Cherlapalli jail, and they were all sent to Cherlapalli jail. On 2nd, we petitioned the judicial magistrate to give us the police custody. So, getting the orders of the police custody, we got all the 4 accused from Cherlapalli jail on 4th, and 4th and 5th we interrogated and examined all these accused. Basing on their confession, we came here to this place to recover the victim's cell phone and other objects. So, as the party approached this area today early hours, all the 4 accused got together. They started attacking the police party with stones, sticks and other materials, and also they snatched away weapons from our 2 officers and started firing. So even though our officers maintained restraint and asked them to surrender, but without listening to us, they continued to fire and continued to attack us. So again our people started in retaliation. In that retaliation, the 4 accused got killed, and when we examined after the lull, we could find that all these bodies were with bullet injuries. So in this firing also, 2 of our police officers also got injured, head injury and other grievous injuries.
Was there bullet injuries, sir?
No, bullet injuries were not there. 2 of the accused, A1 Mohammed and also Chintakunta Chennakeshlu, were found with weapons which were snatched away from police officials. 2 of our officers, one SI Venkateshlu of Nandidama and one PC Arvind Gaud, were injured in this incident. First they were sent to the local hospital. After their reference, they have been sent to Care Hospital for further treatment. So in last 4 days also, we have taken up the investigation of this case. We have done the DNA profiling of the victim as well as the accused. We also collected a lot of scientific evidence to prove this against the crime against all these 4 accused. So we are collecting data from Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh about such woman burnt bodies, missing cases which have been, we are suspecting that these people also must have been involved in other offences also. Once the data comes, then again we will analyze about the involvement of this all the other accused. Only my request is that because it's a very, very sensational case, I request you to please maintain the privacy of the victim. Please don't try to reveal the name or also about their family.